In the ancient tapestry of human history, a pivotal figure emerges, poised to shape the course of religion and ignite a paradigm shift of belief. Brace yourself as we unravel the extraordinary tale that transcends time and gives way to the birth of a new era. From the depth of ancient Mesopotamia, join us as we delve into the remarkable life of a visionary who challenged the gods and paved the way for a revolution of faith. Hello, and welcome to Impactful Moments, where we explore some of the most, you guessed it, impactful moments in human history. In this video, we will be exploring the life of Abraham and the birth of monotheism, one of the most significant and influential narratives in the history of world religion. Abraham's story begins in the book of Genesis, around 2000 BCE, where he is first introduced as Abram, living in the city-state of Ur in ancient Mesopotamia. According to the biblical narrative, God calls out to Abram, commanding him to leave his homeland and journey to a new land that God would show him. Abram obeys, and along with his wife Sarah and nephew Lot, set out on a long and arduous journey toward the land of Canaan in the Levant. As Abram settles in Canaan, he continues to receive revelations and tests of faith, including the test of sacrificing his son, all from God, who promises him a multitude of descendants and a land for his people. Abram, now known as Abraham, becomes a patriarchal figure for Jewish, Christian, and Islamic people. The impact of Abraham's story on society at the time was truly transformative, reshaping belief systems and ushering in a new era of thought. One of the most significant impacts was the shift from polytheism and idol worship to monotheism, which challenged the prevailing religious practices of the ancient world. Before Abraham, many civilizations practiced polytheism, worshipping multiple gods and attributing different deities to specific city-states and various aspects of life. However, Abraham's belief in the existence of one true God introduced a radical departure from this polytheistic framework. Many texts cite an interaction between Abraham and the idol-worshipping king Nimrod, in which Nimrod had Abraham cast into a pit of fire for his denouncement of the Mesopotamian gods. With God's backing and due to his unwavering faith, Abraham survived and walked away unscathed. His recognition of a single, all-powerful deity set the stage for a profound religious revolution that affected moral and legal codes around the region. Moreover, Abraham's story brought with it a significant moral shift. In the polytheistic societies of the time, human life was often devalued, and human sacrifices were not uncommon. However, Abraham's relationship with God emphasized the intrinsic value of human life and the sanctity of every individual. The recognition of the worth and dignity of human beings was a groundbreaking concept that went against the prevailing norms. Abraham's story laid the foundation for the major monotheistic religions that have had an immeasurable influence on human civilization. Judaism, Christianity, and Islam all trace their roots back to Abraham, viewing him as a pivotal figure who embodies the ideals of monotheism, faith, and moral righteousness. The teachings, scriptures, and rituals of these religions are deeply rooted in Abraham's legacy, shaping the beliefs and practices of billions around the world. Abraham's story also played a pivotal role in establishing moral standards that are deeply ingrained in Western, Middle Eastern, and Islamic law. The principles of justice, compassion, and respect for human dignity, which Abraham championed, have formed the bedrock of legal systems in many societies. Concepts such as the equality of all individuals before the law and the sanctity of life can be traced back to Abraham's profound influence on moral and ethical thinking. Beyond religion and law, Abraham's story has permeated art, literature, and philosophy. Artists throughout history have drawn inspiration from his journey, depicting his faith, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment. Philosophers have contemplated the profound questions raised by Abraham's story, exploring themes of faith, free will, and the nature of divinity. Looking into the future, it's likely that the story of Abraham will continue to shape our world. As societies become increasingly diverse and interconnected, the need for mutual understanding, respect, and dialogue become ever more crucial. Abraham's story serves as a bridge, linking people of different faiths and culture, reminding us of our shared humanity and the possibility of coexistence. In an era marked by religious tensions and ideological conflicts, the example of Abraham offers a path toward harmony and peaceful coexistence. By embracing the values of tolerance, compassion, and respect that Abraham exemplified, we can navigate the challenges of the future with greater empathy and understanding. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more impactful history videos. Your support helps us continue creating more captivating content. Thanks for watching.